In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect an account from your bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you need to stop a bank from syncing with QuickBooks. Maybe you've closed that bank account, switched banks, or simply want to manage those transactions manually from now on. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps to safely disconnect a bank feed without adding any confusion to your books. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left navigation bar, find the option labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click that. When the menu expands, choose Bank Transactions. This is the main area where QuickBooks shows all the financial institutions and accounts you've connected. Once the Bank Transactions screen opens, you'll see tiles or cards across the top or in a list, each representing a connected bank or credit card account. Take a moment to identify the bank account you want to disconnect. When you've found it, click directly on that tile to select it. This brings that specific account into focus so you can adjust its settings. Now look toward the upper right corner of the selected account's tile. You should see a small pencil icon. This is the Edit icon. Click on that pencil, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Edit Account Info. This will open a pop-up window where you can manage key details for this account connection. Inside the pop-up, look for a checkbox labeled Disconnect this account on Save. Check this box to tell QuickBooks that you no longer want this account pulling in new bank transactions. This does not delete your past data. It simply stops future downloads from this bank. If you don't see the Disconnect this account on Save option right away, don't worry. That usually means QuickBooks is still working on downloading or updating recent transactions from the bank. In that case, wait a few minutes, then come back to this same screen and try again. Once the pending download is finished, the Disconnect option should appear. After you've checked the box to disconnect, all that's left is to confirm your change. Click Save and Close at the bottom of the pop-up window. QuickBooks will save your settings and disconnect that account from bank feeds. From this point forward, no new transactions will flow in automatically from that bank account.